Ladies and gentlemen, this video probably, possibly, hopefully, and most likely make the end of 2020 better by Rusty Designer. Since the 1990s, there's a big fight between Boeing and Airbus. So today I'm going to talk about the difference between Boeing and Airbus. It's been a long time that I want to make this video because I have looked everywhere and it's really complicated to understand the difference. So in my eyes, I'm going to tell you the difference between those two plane manufacturers as simplest and easiest as possible, just for you guys. And also, for an airline, when they need to look about which aircraft they are going to buy, most of the time they're going to turn their head for Boeing or Airbus. So before we start video, make sure you subscribe and like to my YouTube channel because there's a lot of things are going to come, and if you subscribe you won't miss anything. So better to stick around and let's see what's going on because you always deserve it. Boeing was founded in July 15, 1916, and Airbus was founded in December 18, 1970. So Boeing is older than Airbus. Airbus has 11,819 aircraft fleet in the world. You can find it everywhere. But you know, Boeing is more older than Airbus, so Boeing has approximately 41,046 aircraft in service. But you know, it's been a long time they're making some aircraft, so there's some that have been retired and some that just came. So it's approximately 41,046. So Boeing made more planes than Airbus. Now let's talk about the difference between two aircraft, like the Boeing 747-800. If you don't know about the Boeing 747-800 or the 747, there is a hump. The length is 76 meter, the wingspan is 68 meter, the range is 15,000 kilometer, the top speed is 988 km per hour, but it cost $419 million, so it's really expensive as 747. There's only 153 fleets in the sky. That's sad about this aircraft. It's really beautiful and you will love it. But the 747-400 was a great seller for Boeing. So most of the time, airlines were buying more the 747-400 instead of the 800. But right now, you know, the 747-400 is going to a retirement because right now it's really old. It was made in 1990s. So to replace it, the Boeing has made the 747-800. The passenger capacity of the 747-8I is 467 passengers. That's incredible, right? Now let's talk about the Airbus A380. There is a full second floor. It's no hump. The wingspan is 80 meter. The length is 73 meter. The range is 15,200 kilometer. So it's just a little bit more kilometer between the Boeing 747-800. The Boeing 747-800 is going to 50,000 kilometer, but for the A380 it's going 200 kilometer more than the 747-800. The top speed is 1,185 km per hour. So it's really fast for this jumbo jet. And also, if you don't know about it, the Airbus A380 is one of the most fastest aircraft in the world. The passenger capacity is 853 passengers. So of course, because there's a second floor, there's only 243 fleets in the sky, but it's way more than the 747-8i. But the problem why nobody is buying, why there's less people are buying the Airbus A380, because it was just too big, and there's few airports that accept this A380, because as you know, it's really huge and big. So there's only few airports where the Airbus A380 can land in those places. And obviously it's gonna be way more expensive. It's gonna cost at $445.6 million. Oh yeah, just a little bit fact. You know, the GE9X engine for the Boeing 777X, which is going to be the newest 777 aircraft they're going to come from Boeing, it's known as the most powerful commercial aircraft jet engine in the world by the Guinness Book of World Records. It's impressive, right? So the winner is the Airbus A380. Okay, now let's talk about another aircraft. The 77 is cheaper than the A350. It's only $50 million cheaper than the A350 too. But don't forget, the A350 is wider than the 77. The A350 has the quietest cabin in the sky, way more quieter than the 77. And it has the tallest ceiling of any commercial aircraft. So if you are 8 foot tall, well, you're able to get in this aircraft. It's really simple and it's really comfortable. The A350 is more about the comfort, the luxury in this aircraft, if you don't know about it. But you know, the 77 has dimmable windows and not the A350. And the 77 has only this feature that is really special than any other aircraft. And also, if you don't know about 77 Dreamliner, is that it's really fuel efficient like the A350. So you can go from London to Sydney without any stop. Those airplanes is just able to go straight to Sydney, for example. So thank you so much. My name is Ross Designer, and I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that this video helped you. I hope you all the best, and see you next time.